Understanding unsure of my place, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, unsure of my place. This phrase is rich in meaning and is often used in various contexts. By understanding it, you'll be able to express complex emotions and thoughts more effectively in English. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting expression. Unsure of my place is a phrase that combines two key elements, unsure and my place. Unsure means having doubts or lacking confidence. It's not just about lacking knowledge but also about feeling uncertain. My place refers to one's role, position, or status in a particular situation, group, or environment. When put together, being unsure of my place implies a sense of doubt or ambiguity about where one fits in or belongs in a specific context. This phrase is versatile and can be applied in various scenarios. 1. Social situations. When someone feels they don't quite fit in a social group or setting, they might say they're unsure of their place. It reflects social anxiety or the feeling of being an outsider. 2. Professional environments. In a workplace, feeling unsure of your place can mean uncertainty about your role, responsibilities, or how you're perceived by colleagues. 3. Personal relationships. Within the dynamics of personal relationships, this phrase might express a sense of not knowing where one stands with another person. 4. Self-reflection. On a personal level, it can also indicate a phase of self-doubt or identity crisis, where one is contemplating their role in life or society. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. When I joined the new team, I was unsure of my place and didn't know how to contribute effectively. After moving to a new city, she felt unsure of her place among her new neighbors. During the family dispute, I was unsure of my place and whether I should intervene. Notice how the phrase adapts to different contexts, always highlighting a sense of uncertainty about one's role or position. Unsure of my place is a powerful phrase that can help you express a range of emotions related to doubt, belonging, and identity. Remember, it's not just about the words but the feelings and situations they represent. I hope this video has helped clarify this expression for you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. See you in the next video.